Players, I'd just like all your attention, please. There has been a bit of a mishap here this evening, and from our South African Veterans Organisation, we sincerely apologise to the Turkish team. The flag that we had for them was the incorrect flag. It's very embarrassing on our part. I'm making this public because they are very passionate about it, and I'd like you all to welcome the Turkish team onto the floor and to the opening ceremony. We stand here as your friends and we apologize. Thank you.